Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen tank with a humidifier. First, ensure your oxygen tank is stable and upright. Carefully attach the regulator to the tank valve, tightening it firmly with the wrench provided. Next, fill your humidifier bottle with distilled water, making sure not to exceed the maximum fill line. Finally, screw the humidifier bottle onto the regulator's oxygen outlet. This ensures a proper seal for humidified oxygen delivery. Once the humidifier is attached, connect your oxygen tubing to the humidifier's outlet port. Ensure the tubing is free of kinks and securely fastened. Now, slowly turn the tank valve counterclockwise to open the oxygen flow. You will hear a hiss as the gas begins to flow. Carefully adjust the flow meter to your prescribed oxygen rate, typically measured in liters per minute, ensuring the ball is centered on the correct number. With the flow set, place the nasal cannula or oxygen mask comfortably on your face. Breathe normally and ensure you feel the oxygen flowing. Observe the humidifier bottle for consistent bubbling, which confirms the system is working correctly and humidifying the oxygen. Regularly check the oxygen tank gauge to monitor the remaining oxygen supply, planning for refills or tank changes as needed to avoid interruptions. For optimal performance and hygiene, clean your humidifier bottle daily using mild soap and warm water, then rinse thoroughly. Remember to replace the distilled water in the humidifier every day to prevent bacterial growth and maintain effective humidification. Always store your oxygen tank upright and away from heat sources. Check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Consult your healthcare provider for any questions about your oxygen therapy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.